What's up, guys? We're here at the Print United Expo at the All-American Print and Supply booth with the one and only Esteban. How's it going, Esteban?
Rock and roll. It's day one. I still have my voice. Everything's working beautifully. The attendees have been wonderful. I think we've already sold some of these 4-mile deals, but we're rocking and rolling, man. How's day one been for you?
It's been great. I mean, Print United's become my favorite show of the year. It's the unveiling expo is what I mean, it used to always be Long Beach. Hey, Long Beach Impressions, still a heck of a show. But Printing United, over the last handful of years, our industry has really kind of hijacked this expo. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh, 100%. I mean, you look around anywhere you see, it's printing this, it's new innovations here, new technology, new equipment. I couldn't have said any better. This is really groundbreaking or breaking ground area for debuting new equipment. And we've had some new additions to our booth, as you may have noticed, as well this year for the first time.
Xtool. Xtool has been a brand that popped up, what, 3 or 4 years ago? What's this? And then, wow, it's like wildfire. I've got 2 in my shop. 2 laser, what do we have, Garth? We've got a
F2 Ultra, you were telling me?
F2 Ultra, F1. Yeah, I don't know what goes on in my shop. I don't know if they're CO2, MOPA, whatever.
Diode.
They are super user-friendly. They're very affordable. And engraving has just huge margins and so forth. I mean, I think you're making a mistake if you don't have an engraving solution, whether you do it yourself these days, because, hey, drinkware, patches, there's so many things you can do with it, but we're not talking about engraving right now. We're talking about xTool's newest machine that is DTF. I mean, this is not your typical DTF printer. This is not like any of your prestiges sitting in your booth. What are we looking at?
All right, guys, this machine has been making the rounds, kind of gaining a lot of buzz and popularity in our industry, in our scene. We're talking about the xTool DTF Apparel Printer. This is a very compact, user-friendly. If you guys, you know how user-friendly, we're just talking about the lasers are. Guys, if you worked with xTool Laser before, that creative space software, it's a whole ecosystem. So if you've been on the engraving side, working on your hard surface, maybe looking to get into apparel, you can jump in with the DTF Apparel Printer from xTool. You don't have to learn another language. You don't have to get familiar with another software. It runs on Mac for our graphic designers out there. This thing is compact and very high performing.
It's, again, unlike any other. We are actually printing from a roll, we're cutting it, and a sheet is coming out, correct?
Absolutely. Guys, under the hood of here, we have dual Epson i1600 print heads, pumping out speeds, they're saying north of 55 square feet an hour. Depends on your resolution, but I will tell you, this desktop print shop is fast. And you're looking at about 14 inches wide, which is more than ample for even your 2X, 3X men's adult sizes, and I believe it's about an 18 in length. Don't quote me on that exactly, but just as he mentioned, we're printing. It slices it off, and you can go printer alone, powder by hand, or if you want the all-in-one, complete, click, print, done, you want to get the full combo here. So after it slices off the film from that roll, it's powdered, it's agitated, it shakes off all that excess for us, and then they have this proprietary vertical dual side heating chamber where it cures all of that powder for us, and then down here at the bottom, we've got that beautiful, glossy, orange peel texture, vibrant, full color. This thing's ready to apply to your cotton, your leather, your polyester, your nylon, your rayon, your windbreaker, whatever you can get even contact on with the heat press, and the colors on here are very vibrant.
When you first heard about this printer, did you think it was going to perform the way you have seen it since you guys started selling it? No.
I'm talking xTool Laser. That's what I've always associated with that brand. And not really having a background in laser, it's been so fun to work with and learn, and I see why they're so successful.
You can see why they're so successful
entirely.
once you play with it.
Yeah, no, we were talking before off camera. It's like driving a Cricut. If you guys start off with heat transfer vinyl, you remember those user-friendly, elementary, kind of sort of entry-level decoration methods, that's what driving this feels like. It's got built-in maintenance. You leave it on, you'll hear the whiting circulation. You'll hear that whiting agitation. So it's fully loaded feature-wise with everything you'd want in a DTF printer. It's just way more compact than anything else I've ever seen.
Let's go through some numbers. So, what with the film?
14 inches wide. There's a little track system on the side of the film. That's how it's able to feed it through. That is not taking up your print space. You do still have just about 14 inches left to right, and then lengthwise, I want to say that number is 18 in length. We can fact check that. Maybe Colin can put the correct number on there, but I want to say it's about 18 length, and yeah, this thing's
I don't need to go longer than 18 ever.
There we go.
So, around 55 square feet an hour, this can come in a couple different modular systems, correct?
Absolutely. For those maybe just looking to get their feet wet, maybe learn DTF, this is basically direct to film with training wheels with how easy it is to get starting producing full color apparel on not just t-shirts, your denim, your fleece, your jackets, your tops, your bottoms, your footwear. If you can get even contact with your heat press, this thing will produce high resolution, full color, vivid detail transfers that we can apply on virtually any apparel item you can think of.
How much, Esteban?
Oh gosh, we're gonna insert that magic price right here. We got options for printer alone, full bundle combo, maybe even with the purifier, and
which I highly suggest, guys. I mean, get the air purifier. If you stick with just the whole xTool setup, it simplifies everything, Esteban.
No, entirely. They've made, again, an entire ecosystem. Sure, you don't need to run theirs, but it's got the coupler attachment where it mounts directly onto the back of the system, nice and clean. There's no vapor, there's no fumes, there's no steam. Everything's containing right here. If you're running this in an enclosed space, maybe out of the spare bedroom, maybe in the corner office, you want to make sure you have some sort of air purification anytime you're printing direct to film, and they just made everything so convenient in this nice bundle tight setup.
Absolutely. I mean, our air purifier for our xTool lasers, it turns on when we're engraving. Oh, we're not engraving? Turn itself off. So you want that inline setup. I just love how xTool thinks of it the whole way. We got to have the interface, the user, the quality. Esteban, where can our viewers go to learn more about this xTool DTF printer and the lineup of all the other stuff that you guys sell at American Print?
Guys, we are proud new distributors, not only the xTool DTF apparel printer, but the entire line of their laser equipment. We just got our hands on the PS3 back at our shop. We got the F2 Ultra. Guys, we just had training on the Metal Fab laser welder cutter. I had the mask, I had everything. I'm cooking metal. I felt like Iron Man in that first one, building it in the cave with a box of scraps, except I had the highest state-of-the-art technology available at my fingertips. If you want more information on everything xTool, you head over to aaprintsupplyco.com or check us out on all your socials, aaprintsupplyco. Or if you've found it on this video, maybe you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, we're going to be aaprintsupplyco. You can type it up at the top of the search bar. After you subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to ours also. And I monitor these comments when I get to guest star with our buddies over here at DecoNetwork. So if you have any questions on xTool DTF, drop them all in the comment section. I might get to him before he might beat me, but we got you covered.
There's only one Esteban at the show. Esteban, it's always a pleasure. Guys, I can attest, xTool, the equipment, it's not just a marketing thing. I really think they put out a great product. Check out this DTF printer and their whole lineup of laser engraving machines.